A very good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to study the poem in July. This is a summer poem for kids. Now, firstly, I want to ask some questions from you. As we already know, summer has come. What do you do at hot summer days? What you like to do? I think so. You like to eat ice cream, drink cold juice, sit under fan, cooler or AC, enjoys eating mangoes, watermelon. Now today we will start the poem in July, which was written by Evelyn Stein. Before starting the poem, firstly I want to tell you about Evelyn Stein, that who is she? Evelyn Stein is an American poet and writer who is especially known for her kids' writing. She was born in Indiana on October 12, 1863. Indiana is in the state in US. Now we will read the poem. Firstly I will read the poem. पहले मैं आपको पूरा पोएम पढ़ के सुना दूंगी. Then I will explain it. Let us find a shady, wady, pretty little brook. Let us have some candy handy and a picture book. There all day we will stay and play and never mind the heat, while the water gleaming, streaming, ripple around our feet. Poet's name, Evelyn Stein. This is a lovely poem about spending some time near a brook during the hot days of July. It is a hot day and children want to picnic near a brook. What do you mean by the word brook? Brook का मतलब? Brook means a small river, छोटी नदी. They wanted to eat over there and wanted to spend the whole day by playing, eating and enjoying the views. Firstly, I want to explain the summary. It is a hot day and children want to do picnic near a brook. Brook is a small river, as you already know. I already explained it that brook is a small river. Over there wanted to spend the whole day by playing, eating and enjoying the view. Let's start the poem. Let us find a shady wady. Let us find a shady wady. What is shady? Shady क्या है? Shady is a place which is filled with a shade. Shady एक ऐसा प्लेस है जो शेड मतलब छाँव से भरा हुआ है. Shady means छायादार. And shady is also an adjective of shade. And wady is a passage through which brook flows. I already explained you what is brook. Brook is a small river. Pretty little brook. So children wanted to find a shady place by the side of the river. चिल्ड्रन क्या चाहते थे? एक शेडी, एक छायादार प्लेस रिवर के पास. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट टू लाइन्स? नाउ थर्ड लाइन. लेट अस हैव सम कैंडी हैंडी एंड द पिक्चर बुक. व्हाट इज कैंडी? कैंडी मीन्स चॉकलेट्स, टॉफ़ी. कैंडी क्या है? कैंडी का मतलब चॉकलेट्स. चिल्ड्रन को क्या चाहिए थी? कैंडीज चाहिए थी. और अ पिक्चर बुक, एक पिक्चर बुक. दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू हैव अ पिक्चर बुक so that they can take a look a picture while eating a candy and enjoy the day sitting beside a small river. There all day we will stay and play and never mind the heat. वहाँ हम पूरे दिन रहेंगे और खेलेंगे और हमें धूप से कोई मतलब नहीं. It is as you already know, it is a hot day, but they still wanted to spend the whole day playing beside the river. गर्मी के दिन में भी वो क्या करना चाह रहे थे? पूरा दिन रिवर के पास खेल के बिताना चाह रहे थे. While the water gleaming, streaming, but the water gleaming, streaming, ripples around our feet. The children was very excited and watching the water gleaming. Gleaming means shining. Shining in Hindi, चमकना. पानी चमक रहा है किसके थ्रू? ड्यू टू द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ सन. सन की रोशनी से पानी चमक रहा है. एंड स्ट्रीमिंग मीन्स फ्लोइंग इन वन डायरेक्शन, एक ही डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करना. द चिल्ड्रन आर एंजॉइंग वॉचिंग दिस. बच्चों को ये देख के बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. रिपल अराउंड आवर फीट. चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन यू थ्रो stone on water, what happened? A circle is formed out that is called ripple. In Hindi, ripple means choti lehre. So the children is enjoying in water by putting their leg inside it. और बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे? पानी के अंदर पैर डाल के enjoy कर रहे थे. So the children is enjoying the hot summer day. Children क्या कर रहे थे? Hot summer day में enjoy कर रहे थे. Beside the brook, playing and eating the candy. brook के पास बैठ के खेल के और कैंडीज चॉकलेट खा के. रीडिंग पिक्चर बुक, और पिक्चर बुक को पढ़ के. एंड enjoying the whole day with their friend, और पूरे दिन अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिता के. I hope you all understood the poem well. So let us read one more time. चलिए एक बार फिर से पोएम को हम लोग पढ़ लेते हैं. Let us find a shady wady pretty little brook. Pretty means सुंदर, little means छोटा. And I already explained you what is brook. Brook is a small river. Let us have some candy handy and a picture book. There all day we will stay and play and never mind the heat, while the water gleaming, streaming, ripples around our feet. Now children, it's time to do some objective type questions from the poem. Your first question is complete the sentence with the correct words. Children, please pause the video and fill this in your English notebook copy, and also write 8 lines poem in the copy. Okay, the first question is the children wanted to have a picnic near a dash, library or brook. बच्चों को कहाँ पे पिकनिक मनाने का मन था? लाइब्रेरी में या ब्रुक में? ब्रुक में. The answer is brook. They wanted to dash and dash there. They wanted to dash and dash there. They wanted to read, eat and play there. Third question, they wanted to spend dash there. The morning, the whole day. The answer is the whole day. They wanted to spend the whole day there. Now question number B. It is a hot or a cold day. Which line in the poem tell you this? ये गर्म दिन था या ठंडा दिन था? पोएम के किस लाइन में आपको ये पता चल रहा है? The answer is it is a hot day. The line that tell this is and never mind the heat. I hope children you understood all the things which I told you. Thank you.